Today I'm going to teach you how to add multiple shipping methods in WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful if you want to offer your customers different delivery options based on their location or order value, giving them flexibility while keeping your shipping organized. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Make sure you're logged into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can access all your site settings and configurations. Once you're logged in, to add multiple shipping methods in WooCommerce, click on WooCommerce on the left navigation menu. An expanded option will appear showing you various WooCommerce-related settings. From the options that appear, click on Settings. This is where all your store configurations live, including payment gateways, product settings, and of course, shipping methods. From the WooCommerce settings page, look at the top part of your screen. You'll see several settings tabs laid out horizontally. From the list of tabs, click on Shipping. This is the hub for managing how you deliver products to your customers. Now, to add multiple shipping methods, click on Add Zone. This allows you to create region-specific shipping rules, which is perfect if you charge different rates for different areas. Start by entering a zone name for this shipping method. Give it something clear and descriptive like local delivery or international shipping so you can easily identify it later. Then set the zone region. You can select from each continent dropdown, and a country list will be available for you to choose. This targeting ensures the right shipping option appears for customers in specific locations. Then click on Add Shipping Method. A small window will appear, and from here select whether this method will be a free or a flat rate type of shipping method. This choice determines how you charge customers for delivery. Once selected, click on Continue. For this tutorial, we'll use the free shipping option to show you how it works. From the last step, enter a name for this free shipping method. Something like free standard shipping works well. From the requirement field, you can choose a condition on how it will be free. You have options like requiring a coupon, setting a minimum order amount, or both. This flexibility lets you create promotions or encourage larger purchases. Once configured, click on Create and Save, and that's it. You've successfully added a shipping method to WooCommerce, and you can repeat these steps to add as many methods as your store needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.